I will show you how to create a folder where when you give the link to your students, just by clicking it, they can upload any types of file into the folder, and only the creator of the folder can access the files. So let me show you how. So first go to your Outlook and then click this 9 dots and you click on OneDrive. You go to the location where you want to create the folder. For example, I will be wanting to put it in this folder here. First is by clicking the create new folder. So let's put a name on it. Let's say quiz assignment revision. Create. So the folder will be on top. Usually will be on top of the list. So what you have to do now is to click on these 3 dots, and then you click request files. So what files are you requesting? Quiz and assignment. And then maybe you can put the name of the subject or the code of the subject, LLS 3713. Okay. See here, the recipients will see the above request name and can upload only. Okay, so click next, and here is the link. Okay, you can copy the link. Okay, copy the link and then you may share it in the WhatsApp or in any web page that you have. So that's it. So when you click on the link, this is what you're going to see on the screen. So when you want to upload a file, you just click select files and choose the one that you prefer. So this is the view if you upload the file using your laptop. Okay, this is from the student view. When you click the link, it will open up, it direct you to your own OneDrive personal folder that you just created. So here it says your name is requesting file for, then you click select file, then the students will have 2 options, either capture image or upload files from the smartphone. Okay, the student can simply upload the files by clicking on select files. He can either choose capture image or files. So if the student wants to directly capture an image, just click capture image. Okay. Use the camera app and point towards his or her documents that he has written. You can snap the picture. Okay, this is important. The student has to fill in the first name as the matrix number, so this will help you as a lecturer to organize the submission files. For the last name, request the students to write down his or her full name, and then the student can simply click upload. Okay, so he will be notified that the file has been uploaded successfully. Okay, he can or she can upload more by clicking upload more and then do the same process all over again.